What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we're going to be doing a very short BTC technical analysis video. The last video I did, I told you BTC was likely going to crash when it encounters this resistance, and that's exactly what happened. BTC did encounter a resistance somewhere around this area, and it just crashed when it encountered that resistance, and now it's retesting it again, more of like a double bottom, although this particular bottom didn't get here, but it's still like a double bottom because prices actually moves in zones. They don't really have to be exact, so as long as it gets to something close around that zone, then there's the possibility that it's going to the upside. Although it may also have some issues here at this resistance, but ultimately it would likely break through and go to the upside. So there might be a little bit drop to the downside, a little, then it could just take off and go to the upside, approaching something around 119k, 120k. If you look at the histogram on the weekly, sorry, on the daily, you would notice that it's beginning to turn light red, which is an indication that selling pressure is beginning to subside. It has actually come to hit the 112k support, which I always said it will hit, because that is a place of significant momentum. Significant orders will be resting there. A lot of people will be waiting to get in at that particular area. So, and that's exactly what happened. So right now there's a possibility we're going to the upside. So we have more possibility of going to the upside than the downside. So you just have to keep your eyes the on the chart. You have to keep your eyes on the price action, and as long if it breaks out of this particular zone, then it will likely continue to the upside. I just wanted to give you this update. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.